Been a while.
Been a while.
Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, who's filming me right now, the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, we have a water heater that is downdrafting. So we're gonna check it out because yesterday was a tremendously windy day. And if not, it's gonna be time for a power vent. We'll see when we get there, folks. What he said, if it feels burn up here, it's probably been downdrafting since day one. But it was so windy yesterday. Let's check this out. Because the downdraft doesn't feel as bad. I do too, right? Yeah, you're gonna dope this up. She's an old boy. Now look at this. I haven't run into one of these in a long time. This is the old style water heater. Standing pilot. Turn the gas back on. This water heater is 18 years old. We looked it up yesterday. Yep. Striker. So can you grab me the bubbles too? I smell gas out here, man.
small combo?
Here it comes. A lot of air. I just want to double check everything, you know.
I feel it's downdraft.
Downdrafting right now.
Now I don't feel it. Ever since it turned on.
Yeah, it's actually not bad at all. So here's what I'm gonna do. In my pocket. Oh, there, man. There it is. Here's the old trick. Hold this for me. Oh, just a little bit. Push it down.
No. No, I'm gonna use this one then.
Not that much, just real low. That's hot. Oh, it's sucking up nice. See that?
Oh, that's...
Yeah. Alright, just keep doing it. Just leave it lit for me, alright? See how it's sucking up the flame? Smoke sucks up.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday the wind was so bad. See how it's sucking up real nice? And it's running too. Yesterday the winds were 50 miles an hour. Today, what are they today?
5, 10.
Turn the flame off. So we have an updraft problem yesterday because of the wind.
Downdraft.
But check it. A downdraft problem. All right. Let's drink. Someone's drinking water. All 3-inch B vent. Where's that 4-inch? 4-inch. Let's try it one more time. Let's do it one more time. See, now I'm getting drowned here, right there.
Ooh,
I just felt the wind.
it just blew it out. Sorry, what's up? But even fix the downdraft and to repipe it.
Yeah, we gotta put a new heater in.
Trying this again,
No. Let me see a bubble, Charles. Looks good. Get her done.
Yep.
What'd you do?
Cut off the heater.
We end up capping off the gas line. We did film it. We apologize. And new power vent water heater coming. Stay tuned and we'll see you at the next one.